The unmanned vehicle took off vertically, floated for a few seconds and then landed at the company's test site in Manassas, Virginia. Future flights will test the flight forward into the wing, as well as the transition phase between the vertical and forward flight modes. It is a significant step towards a future in which electric and autonomous flying taxis move from skyscrapers to skyscrapers, transporting passengers and cargo to the service of a completely new form of urban mobility. Boeing is just one of dozens of companies looking for some form of urban taxi service, but as one of the world's largest aviation companies, it clearly has the resources and engineering skills to put something in the air sooner. What a late powered by an electric propulsion system, Boeing says the prototype is designed for a fully autonomous flight from takeoff to landing, with a range of up to 50 miles 80.47 kilometers. Measuring 30 feet 9.14 meters long and 28 feet 8.53 meters wide, its aircraft structure integrates propulsion and wing systems to achieve efficient forward and forward flight, also known as vertical takeoff and landing, or VTOL.